I think what was most surprising was how little technical skills I had,
Mm-hmm.
even coming as like a finance major.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What do you
Um,
mean by that? Why did you say that?
yeah, because I mean, like everyone studies different. The people that they hire, like everyone studies different things, but they're usually pretty quantitative.
Yeah.
Um, but I had thought that since I studied finance specifically, it'd be directly related to a lot of the technical day-to-day um, work that I'd be doing, but it really wasn't because it was like that times 100.
Mm-hmm. Thanks to you, my listeners at Wall Street Oasis. If you have any suggestions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to send them my way, Patrick at wallstreetoasis.com. And until next time.